One of my favorite things about living in our tri-state area is that we can be in West Virginia, Ohio, or Kentucky in 15 minutes. And Ohio is where you're going to find this home, 1853 County Road 411 in Proctorville. Let's take a look inside. Built in 1888, gorgeous wood floors throughout the entire home. 2 bedrooms are on the first floor, and there is a first floor full bathroom as well. In the kitchen, there's a beautiful kitchen island with granite countertops and 2 pantries. There's an office space that leads up to the private den above the 2-car garage. The private den has 4 beer taps, a fireplace, and a full bathroom. On the second floor in the main home, there are 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. And when you venture into the backyard, there's an in-ground pool, an additional garage, plenty of parking for a boat, a camper, or an RV. And by the way, the pool can also be heated for the cooler months in our area. Representation matters, and I would love to show you this property at 1853 County Road 411 in Proctorville.